the blockchain doesn't hold the data. ODN holds the data.
This is about you. This is about me. This is about trust and transparency. Something about it brings clarity. I look into your eyes and I clearly see you need OriginTrail and a DK. Hello, my OriginTrail data pioneers. We are here again. How are you guys doing? You know what? Let's take a minute. How are you guys doing today? Are you okay? I am feeling great. I don't know. I woke up this morning and I said I'm going to create the best OriginTrail videos today that I have ever made in my life. And here I am. So let's dive into the OriginTrail data integrity. What does this mean for OriginTrail? Now, to really discuss this, we're going to be diving into the network layer and the consensus layer. Now, this is not going to be too confusing. Don't worry. Just calm down. Calm down. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. All right, let's go. So when we talk about supply chains today, we have all these different stakeholders in the supply chain wanting to share data. Well, they want to share data in a secure and verifiable way. Now, the OriginTrail team already had to go through the issues of having to prove to their customers, here is how you can ensure the verifiability of your data. This was achieved by using blockchain technologies for integrity. We are speaking about the Ethereum public blockchain. Now, if you don't know, the Ethereum public blockchain is an open blockchain network that allows anyone to connect and really share data if you can afford to pay the gas fees. So using this public ledger, we allow entities to verify the source of our data. It's giving a transaction a hash, a transaction ID, all the data that goes along with that information can be verified publicly. Now, I know some of you heard sharing data on the blockchain. Do you mean we're storing our private, sensitive data on a public blockchain? And the answer to that is no. Only the transaction hash that allows someone to verify the data is stored on the blockchain. The actual data itself is not stored on the blockchain. It is stored on the OriginTrail decentralized network, which has data standards applied to it, which then allows for the data to be shared with ease among all stakeholders in the supply chain. But not only does it allow for all stakeholders to share data, it's also secure, cryptographically secure. All data on the OriginTrail decentralized network nodes are encrypted and tucked away for safety. But no need to hear from me. Let's dive into the white paper and hear what the white paper has to say about storing data on the OriginTrail decentralized network and how it achieves data integrity. OriginTrail incorporates blockchain as the platform to ensure data integrity. For all information that gets included in the system, a tamper-proof fingerprint, a cryptographic hash, is generated and stored on the blockchain at the time of arrival. The cryptographic hash is commonly used to prove the received data has not been modified in any way, and having the hash immutable in blockchain as a reference to the original input completes this mechanism. But this is where things start getting very interesting. So what happens if Ethereum dies? Will OriginTrail die with Ethereum? Well, the answer to that is no, because the OriginTrail ecosystem is blockchain agnostic. If we take a deeper look at the OriginTrail technology stack, well, we see Ethereum. But what is that? What is that? Oh, what is that? Ah, yes, we see Starfleet, and we also see Polkadot. And I'm so proud to announce that we have launched our most recent and fourth blockchain addition to the OriginTrail ecosystem, and that is XDAI. So when you combine the data immutability of blockchain with the blockchain agnostic components of the OriginTrail ecosystem, well, you can see that the OriginTrail ecosystem is set up to not only be secure, but also highly available, offering many benefits of different blockchains. If you decided that you wanted to use Ethereum for its pure decentralization, well, there you go. Perhaps you wanted something a little bit more centralized, but high throughput, high capacity blockchain, well, there you go with XDAI. So this is something any entity in business must be aware of. Can I keep generating revenue if my business or my vendor, it goes under? Well, with OriginTrail, that is the last thing you need to worry about.
Now, the OriginTrail ecosystem is supported by around 750 nodes all across the globe. And I'm proud to say that I, yes, yours truly, am also supporting the ecosystem by running nodes. Here we're going to take a look at how consensus on data is achieved in the OriginTrail ecosystem. Let's take a deeper look at this. So as you can see here, we have the data set from stakeholder 1 and we have the data set from stakeholder 2. Now, if I am stakeholder 2, I want to verify that the address, let's say Bob, that my data set did indeed come from Bob. I check here, I check there, I see Bob and Bob. Whoops, that's great. It looks great. Well, I'm seeing here that I got these products here. I'm checking over here to see that they are indeed the same. If we zoom out and we verify, yes, the data sets do match. And because they do match, this data set has passed consensus check. So OriginTrail pioneers, I'm really excited to say that you generally understand how things work in the OriginTrail ecosystem. Next, we're going to be talking about interoperability. Why is it so easy to share data in the OriginTrail ecosystem? What do these standards mean and do we care for them? Well, until then, OriginTrail pioneers, I'll see you next time and stay beautiful.
The blockchain doesn't hold the data. ODN holds the data.
This is about you. This is about me. This is about trust and transparency. Something about it brings clarity. I look into your eyes and I clearly see you need OriginTrail and the DKG.